Hey guys, welcome to my channel, which is Country Life Nice. Here I am in the kitchen today, whipping up some delicious meal for you. And this meal that I'm preparing for you today is some fried breadfruit, saltfish with some steamed cabbage. Go ahead and follow for more. I would also love for you to like, comment, and share. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe as well. And thank you so much for being a part of my channel. Please continue to watch the rest of the video. Enjoy. Bye.